In this video, we will cover how to apply product with a DirectCommand Granular spinner spreader on the Ag Leader Edge display. From the home screen, load the correct configuration along with the correct product. Once these have been loaded, press the Rate button. Press the Application Rate Control Configuration button. Be sure that the correct product is listed. Press the numeric keypad button next to Rate 1. Enter in a target rate. Press the green check mark when this is done. The next step is to turn auto swath off. To do this, press the auto swath button found in the bottom right corner of the display. Press the green check mark. As you can see, the auto swath button is now gray, meaning that it is off. The next step is to turn all switches on. As you can see, my switch icon is now green. Press the Run Screen button. The final step is to begin moving. And as you can see, we are now applying product. We have now covered how to apply product with a DirectCommand Granular spinner spreader on the Ag Leader Edge display. For more information on Ag Leader products, please refer to your local Ag Leader dealer, other tutorial videos on the Ag Leader YouTube channel, or the Ag Leader Knowledgebase at support.agleader.com. To find an Ag Leader dealer in your area, please visit our website at www.agleader.com and use the Find a Dealer feature located on the home page.